Well, hey everyone, this is Carrie back with FamilyEbiz.com. I am so excited to share about this product today. 6-week recipe to creating digital products. Yes, excuse the color. I guess I need some new ink in my printer, but that's just the way life is. I have to tell you, the beginnings of this product was one of the first products that my husband Steve ever made as far as a digital product. And about 3 or 4 years ago, I updated the product as well. And so we came up with 6-week recipe to creating digital products that anyone can follow. Yes, even if you don't understand everything tech. I am not a tech guru. I'm always making mistakes, and I'm sending out things like, oopsie, I made a mistake. Okay, let me just tell you what it's going to be about. You will get videos to go along with the course, but let me just show you some of the things. And what we will do is we're going to start with an idea. You're going to brainstorm an idea, narrow it down, take it into that, and then start creating a product that you can give. It can be an ebook, it might be a video series, it might be an audio series. It's really up to you how you want to do it. And then how do we increase the value and add bonuses so that you can sell it for more than $5? Because a lot of y'all just want to sell an ebook for $5, and it may only be 5 pages, but the value of the information inside is worth more than $5. So we'll talk a little bit about that. There's an ebook that goes along with this, so you will get each week, and there's several pages in here, and I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can see. So we've got choosing a topic, tells you exactly what to do. But one thing I do want to show you is there will be screenshots, there I am, along the way about how to move forward and how to go and do your research that's going on. Then this is sort of a brainstorming activity. You'll get pictures of that as well. And then survey your audience. If you've been in my mastermind, I keep saying, talk to people and see what they want. Don't just make an assumption. At the end of each week, there will be, what does week 1 look like? Let's recap, and it'll be step by step what you should have covered. In addition to that, you will get a checklist each week. So here are the things you are supposed to do and the approximate times. All of them come out less than 10 hours. So it'd be like if you were to dedicate 10 hours a week to working on this course. If you only have 1 hour a day instead of 2 hours a day, you could turn it into a 12-week course. But if you are able to dedicate 2 hours a day, then you can do this. And sometimes, for me, I had to get up early, like 4 or 5 in the morning, and that would give me an hour or two by myself to work on business, to work on producing a product. So you get a checklist. The other thing are recommended resources, because you're like, well, I don't know what email service provider, and I don't know what website to get started with. We will help you. This doesn't include training on how to use that software. You can go to them, but I will recommend it, and I will tell you how I use it as well. So 6-week, well, if I could find the cover, 6-week recipe to creating products, digital products anyone can follow. Why am I sharing this? Because this is in Create, Launch, and Convert. And you know what? This sells on my website for $97, and the bundle sells for $97. And get this, if you use my link, you can get a second course for $97. And so you pay $97, you get I think it's 40 products and resources. Go look at the other video. I told you the ones I think would help you the most. And you get this $97 product, and then you get to choose the one in our store that would be the most helpful. If you don't want to, you can pick a $67 one. It just has to be $97 or below. So if you invest, and I think the link is below or in the description above, if you invest in Create, Launch, and Convert, and you only have till next Wednesday, so you got to make a decision, you get this, it's already in the bundle, and then I am giving you, if you use my link and we see your order, then I will give it to you. You choose whatever one it is. Now, please give us a day or two, and if it's the weekend, give us till Monday for you to be able to get your free course. But yes, we will enroll you in one of our $97 courses. All right, that's it. If you have questions about creating products, leave them here and I'll answer them. If you have questions about Create, Launch, and Convert, leave them here. I am here to help you. I don't want you to buy this bundle if you don't think it's going to help you. I've said it before. I don't recommend every bundle that's out there. There are things that I think are overpriced, and I haven't recommended them recently. This one is worth the money. Just think, if you could take this and use one idea and make $100 off of it, and you spent $97, you've already made a $3 profit. That may not sound like much, but at least you've made your money back, and now everything else is icing on the cake. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Carrie Beck, Family Ebiz. Talk to y'all later.